Well, this is Tim from Euro 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add apps to your home screen. So you may have downloaded something on your Samsung TV and it wasn't added to this list. Well, if you go back to the app page and you find the app under apps, so you can see on the top, live apps, just go on down under here and we should be able to find it. Otherwise, you can just go to search. But if we can find it under here, we can add it to the home screen if we go to the app page. So if I just go to this one's taking too long to download. But let's just go to music and video, for example, if you find the app under here. Otherwise, we can go up to search. But under the app page, there will be an option to add a home screen. So after you install it, there will be an option. So like here's Spotify. I already have this downloaded and installed. But on this page, there should be an option to add to home screen on the top once you download it. So maybe I'll just download Sirius. So once I download this now, let's say add to home screen. So maybe you downloaded something and that's what happened. You didn't add it to the home screen. So add a home right here. Well, it looks like it popped up add a home on the top right too. So if you're quick, when you download something, you can just go to add a home. And then it will be under this list and you can move this around. So if it's a little bit difficult to find it, just go to search. And you can just search for the application right here. So whatever it is, just go up to the top. Maybe it's like YouTube or something like that. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below.